Today I'm going to show you how to make rose fish Caribbean style. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need some all-purpose flour, some extra virgin olive oil, lemons or limes, sea salt, and a beautiful piece of fish. Today we're using a rose fish. You can use any small to medium-sized fish like a snapper or grouper. Here I have scored the fish and scaled it. In a heated saute pan, you're going to coat the bottom with some extra virgin olive oil and then dredge the fish in some flour on both sides, and we're going to sear it on one side. After about 5 minutes, the fish is golden brown on one side. We're going to let it sear for a little bit on the other side. You'll put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of the fish. After about 25 minutes, the fish is ready to be plated up. You want to add a generous amount of lime and lemon to the fish, along with some sea salt and some extra virgin olive oil. A beautiful and healthy Caribbean fish dish. Buon appetito!